Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I was just playing around this morning with Ecuts from monstermacro.com, and I'm not trying to sell you on this, but I've made several videos on this, and I'm still finding out ways that could help me. So I opened up Ecuts, I went here to a line. I never had really used it before. And if you select these two items and put it in the center of the page, it's going to put it in the center of the page. If you click this one, it's going to put the smaller one on the outside. If you click here, it's going to put on the outside down, up, left, center, inside the box to the right, inside the box bottom right, left right, center, in the middle. This is pretty cool if you were doing a bunch of stuff and needed to align some things. Let's draw a circle or an ellipse. Hold down the shift key so we select both of them and put it in the center. Let's put it outside this. Let's put it outside the top. Let's put it inside. This would be really handy if you had to get it right on the edges. And you can do other things with aligning, up here, you can put it at the top, outside, middle, left, right, and then go back to center. Put it at the top, right at the edge, at the bottom, right at the edge. This is just one of the many powerful things that Ecuts can do, made and designed and written by MacroMonster.com. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.